how to fix Google GIFs not moving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you must know that Gboard is used to make Google GIFs. So there might be some problem in your Gboard for the Google GIFs to not move. So you'll need to refresh the app. So you need to head over to the settings on your Android device and then scroll down and go to apps. Now here on the search bar on top right, search for Gboard, tap on it, scroll down and go to storage. Now here you need to clear cache. So this will refresh the app and your Google GIFs will start moving. However, if it does not help, it might be your device's problem. So you can just swipe down from the top right and you will see the power button. Just try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device goes a long way. Now, if this also doesn't work, then you might have to delete the Gboard and install it again. And that's it. I hope one of the solution helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.